Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the file and app. Make sure MX Player is updated and the video with Eac3 audio is on your device. Once done, open MX Player and load that video, then pause playback so settings don't auto-reset. You need to access audio settings quickly. Go to the three-dot menu or tap the screen to reveal controls. Make sure hardware decoder is enabled or disabled as required for your device. These choices affect whether MX can decode EAC. Now adjust the audio track and decoder to actually change Eac3 playback. Tap the screen, open audio options, and choose the correct audio track if there are multiples. Then switch the decoder. Try software, SW decoder if hardware fails, because SW can handle more codecs in MX. Conversely, pick hardware HW for lower CPU usage when supported. Once switched, resume playback to test. You may need to restart the file for the decoder change to take effect. Finish by choosing conversion or pass-through if direct playback still fails. First, enable pass-through or SPDIF options so MX passes Eac3 to external receivers. This preserves original audio. If pass-through isn't possible, convert the audio track to AAC or AC3 with a small utility. This fixes compatibility issues. Once converted or pass-through is enabled, restart MX Player and play the file again. Troubleshooting tip: if audio is out of sync after changes, toggle decoder.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.